Hey there, so I'm sat here today with the Orion 5000, the beloved middle child of the Orion family, and I'm going to be taking it apart. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take off this panel, the glass one, and see what's inside. I think it's just these two screws and then it comes off, so let's do that. Now, let me see. Yes. There we go. Okay. Gentle. Okay, so we're inside now. This big thing in the bottom is the power supply, and it's a 730 watt power supply covered by like a Predator branded casing. And then we have the GPU here. For this particular one is an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080. And then above it we have the CPU. This Orion 5000 is an 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor with a frequency of 3.2 gigahertz, and it's hexa-core as well. And we have fan there, 2 at the front and then 1 at the back as well. And then over there you'll see the DDR4 RAM. It is 16 gigabytes total, 28 gigabytes of that. Yes, I think that's it for here. So now I've turned around because I think the hard drive is on this side and I've already unscrewed it, saved myself that effort, and let me try and get it off now as carefully as I can. There we go, that was pretty good. Okay, yeah, the hard drive's here, and for this one it is 2 terabytes, but I think there's up to 3 terabytes of hard drive storage, and it also comes with 512 gigabytes of SSD. So let's go around the front. So now we're around the front, and as well as looking very snazzy, there are also some features you should know about. So the power button is there, you can't really miss it. This opens up as a disk drive if you're still using DVDs for whatever reason. And these open out to act as a headphone rest, which is really quite cool. There's also another one around the other side, and at the top here there are 3 USB 3.1 ports, 1 USB Type-C, and a mic in and a headphone out. Okay, so I've just flipped this thing around. It was a little bit easier than I thought. It's not the 9000. So around the back here we have the power supply, we have a Kensington lock, we have a DVI port, we've got 1, 2, 3 display ports, HDMI 2.0, we have 1 mic jack there, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 line outs, we've got 1 line in, we've got USB 2.0, no, 2 USB 2.0s, an Ethernet port, 4 USB 3.1s, another 2 USB 2.0s at the top, and that's about that. So what else do we have? The glass in this panel here is EMI certified to reduce any incoming and outgoing electromagnetic interference. There's a handy handle at the top for easy transportation. There's USB ports galore. It's a powerhouse of a device, and it looks very cool too. And its size is the perfect midpoint between its younger brother, the 3000, and the beast that is the 9000. So let me know what you think in this video in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.